Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about monetizing your blog with affiliate marketing. If you have a blog and want to turn it into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies to help you monetize your blog using affiliate marketing. Let's get started. The first step to monetizing your blog with affiliate marketing is to choose the right affiliate programs. Research and identify affiliate programs that align with your blog's niche and target audience. Look for programs that offer relevant products or services your readers would be interested in. Sign up for reputable affiliate networks or directly join individual affiliate programs. Ensure the programs you choose offer competitive commission rates and have a track record of timely payments. The second key to monetizing your blog is to create valuable and engaging content. Produce high-quality blog posts that provide informative, actionable, and relevant information to your readers. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content, recommending products or services that genuinely add value to your audience. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and disclose any potential commissions earned. Building an engaged and loyal audience is crucial for successful blog monetization. Interact with your readers through comments, email newsletters, and social media. Encourage them to subscribe to your blog and join your community. By cultivating a loyal following, you'll build trust and credibility, making your affiliate recommendations more impactful and increasing the likelihood of conversions. The fourth key to monetizing your blog is strategic placement of affiliate links. Identify the optimal spots within your blog posts to insert affiliate links for maximum visibility and click-through rates. Consider using product reviews, comparison charts, or recommended products sections to showcase your affiliate recommendations. Experiment with different formats and track the performance of your affiliate links to refine your approach. Another effective strategy for monetizing your blog is to create compelling call to actions. Encourage your readers to take action by clearly outlining the benefits of the products or services you're promoting and including persuasive, clickable buttons or banner. Use attention-grabbing language and highlight the value your audience will receive by making a purchase through your affiliate links. A well-crafted call to action can significantly increase your conversion rates. The final key to blog monetization through affiliate marketing is to continually track and analyze your performance. Use analytics tools to monitor your click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings. Identify the affiliate programs and products that perform best for your blog and focus your efforts on promoting them. Continuously analyze and optimize your strategies based on the data you gather to maximize your earnings. Congratulations! You've learned the keys to monetizing your blog with affiliate marketing. By choosing the right affiliate programs, creating valuable content, building an engaged audience, strategically placing affiliate links, creating compelling call to actions, and tracking your performance, you can turn your blog into a profitable income stream. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.